Yeah?
We tricked him.
He's probably like, there's nobody here. I wonder who did that.
Hey! What the hell's wrong with you two? Do that again and I'll kick your ass!
Before. That was cool.
Yeah. They're gonna be pissed.
Nobody's coming out, butthead.
Maybe whoever lives there has like a broken leg or something, and it takes them a long time to get to the door. I think we forgot to ring the doorbell, Beavis.
Damn it.
What do you want? What?
How's it going?
What are you doing?